Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to hide chats on PolyBuzz AI. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PolyBuzz AI application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and how you can hide chat on PolyBuzz AI. So first of all, here you have some of the, of course, AI people, of course, AI person that you can, of course, go and chat with. So in the bottom side of the screen, here we have the home screen and the chats. As you can see, in the chats, you will have all of your chats. But now we don't have a chat, so you can go and click on a person that you would like to chat with. Let's say this one. And of course, you can, of course, go and just type in whatever you want. So you can type in, let's say, a letter, and the conversation has started now. So as you can see, and now we can go back and go to chats. As you can see, we have all of our chats here. I have this one that I just created. Then slide with your finger, as you can see. And when you slide with your finger, you will have these three options: top picks, hide, and delete. You need to go and click on the hide option. And now, as you can see, hide chat. The chat will not be displayed in the chat list, but the character and chat history can still be found through the search. Click on hide, and now the chat has been hidden, as you can see. But now if we go to the search, we can of course find it there. So we can go and type in Martina and find it there through that history. As you can see, we have it here, we have chatted, and we have the chat, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.